Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious shrimp masala from scratch. This guide will help you prepare a vibrant, aromatic dish that is perfect for any occasion. We will cover everything from selecting the freshest ingredients to mastering the cooking process. Get ready to transform simple shrimp into an extraordinary culinary experience, bursting with rich, authentic flavors. Let's dive into the wonderful world of Indian cuisine together. First, let's prepare our main ingredients. Begin by cleaning and deveining about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, ensuring they are ready for cooking. Marinate them briefly with a little turmeric and salt to enhance their flavor. Next, finely chop 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 inch of fresh ginger. These aromatics form the foundation of our masala. Sauté them gently in 2 tablespoons of oil until they turn a beautiful golden brown, releasing their fragrant essence. Now it's time to build the heart of our dish, the masala. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder to the sautéed aromatics. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Next, incorporate 1 cup of pureed tomatoes or 2 tablespoons of rich tomato paste. Cook this vibrant spice mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the oil begins to separate, indicating the flavors have melded beautifully. Finally, let's bring it all together. Gently add your marinated shrimp to the rich, simmering masala sauce. Be careful not to overcook them. Shrimp cook very quickly, usually in just 3 to 5 minutes, until they turn a lovely pink color. Once cooked, remove from heat and garnish generously with 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness. Serve your exquisite shrimp masala hot, perhaps alongside fluffy basmati rice or warm, soft naan bread. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.